So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to duplicate a video here in Alight Motion. So if I have my video right here, if I wanted to go ahead and maybe shrink it a little bit, I can shrink it just like that. I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can do what I got to do. So let's say I wanted to zoom in like this. Maybe I want to add some shadow to it, whatever. I don't know. I'm just going to play around with it. I can go ahead here, add some shadow. I can go ahead and make it more opaque. So let's say you wanted to duplicate this exact thing. Well, if you press on the video right here, nothing's going to happen. So what I want you to do actually is to right above where it says play, fast forward, etc. Press the two boxes with the plus icon, and then select the layer, press it, and then go ahead and press duplicate layer. So now you have two layers right here. You have the copy and you have the other copy here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to duplicate a video in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.